Hello, what's up my people? Welcome back to my channel, and today I want to address this problem, this one here. Once you see something like this happens in your screen or happens when you are trying to log in to your Gmail account, it means that you have tried to log in several times without success. And what happens is that Google senses that maybe someone is trying to log in into your account without your knowledge. As a result, Google tries to lock it up. And once it locks it, it means that you can give it time for Google to reset it back to normal so that you can be able to log in again. And how long will you be able to wait? You just give it like 48 hours or you give it a week and then you try to log in again. Believe me, it will function. Sometimes you can try to put the telephone number as per the email recovery, but it refuses. Why? Because it is locked. So what you are supposed to do, just give it time, like a week, and then you try to log in again in a different device or the same device which it was once logged in, or the same Wi-Fi. So try to do this diagnosis, and I tell you, this email is going to open up. Thank you so much for listening and watching my video. Remember to subscribe.